Hello, this is a video tutorial. Increase engagement for any post on Facebook. If you're in need of interaction for an article. For more, watch this video now. First, we're going to use software. Manage large number of Facebook accounts automatically. In this section we will select the feature. On the right is the part. When we get the bot post ID, we switch back to the software and enter the bot post ID here. Next we will select the number of bot settings. I currently have one here. And you can get multiple posts. Many post IDs here. Next is the part. Drop child interactive drop. Let's drop the interaction. We can drop like Tim and other effects. Next is the auto comment section. We can set the comment in the section on AI automation by AI. Or we're going to choose content at random. In the comment section we can compose previous content raw like this. Or we'll make a choice. Content creation with AI. Then the software will automatically grab the content by AI for you. After the installation is complete, we will select the running account. And I will choose the account I currently have. Next I will click Start. And let's see the software running, how to interact and how to run automatically. Thank you for following the video. Like and subscribe to your channel.